An easy way to remember the types of systolic and the diastolic murmur present in each valvular disease. So in the MRTR, it's going to be the pansystolic or early systolic, depending upon the condition, if it is acute or chronic. Then ASPS is going to have ejection systolic murmur. MSTS has the mid diastolic murmur. ARPR, early diastolic murmur. And MVP has the late systolic murmur. So basically, this is how you're going to remember it. If it's say this is a mitral valve, and if it is regurgitating, it is going to be pen. And if it is stenotic, it is M. Then this is the, for example, this is the aortic valve. And if it is regurgitating, this is E, it means early. And if it is stenotic, this is going to be ejection murmur.